Welcome to this demo of the Digital Factory. Over the past years, the use of different tools to automate small processes has increased exponentially. This results in several challenges. Corporate process knowledge currently often resides in different systems, siloed and not visible enough to offer the business insight. There is no end-to-end focus on processes, which makes it virtually impossible to make informed and strategic decisions on the future trajectory. In addition, without a clear visual analysis of the best possible outcomes before embarking on transformation projects, there is a considerably high risk of costly transformation projects that fail to deliver the expected outcome and associated benefits. To overcome these challenges, we have developed a hyper-automation solution that combines the Be Informed platform with complementary technologies, the Digital Factory. The Digital Factory creates a single end-to-end solution to manage your organization's digital landscape. It captures business processes and identifies and visualizes the best automation opportunities for maximum return on investment. It promotes these business processes to become runtime digital twin solutions. The Digital Factory harnesses, visualizes, and masters the complexity layered across your business and IT landscape. And it delivers continuous lifecycle improvement, monitoring and orchestrating digital assets across the enterprise for true digital completeness. Deliver on your organization's digital modernization strategy with a Digital Factory for true agility and continuous improvement and transformation. The Digital Factory is a hyper-automation solution. Hyper-automation is the application of advanced technologies like robotic process automation, process assessment, process intelligence, and end-to-end process management to augment workers and automate processes in ways that are significantly more impactful than traditional automation capabilities. Through hyper-automation, you can manage your organization's digital landscape and automate processes, creating a hybrid workforce. The Digital Factory is a combination of our intelligent automation and orchestration platform and our partners' process assessment, process intelligence, and process mapping capabilities. This enables true end-to-end process management and delivers digital twin solutions at speed. Using the Digital Factory allows you to produce a digital twin of your business. The concept of the digital twin is used in the hyper-automation space to refer to the runtime digital counterpart of a defined business process. The digital twin created by the Digital Factory enables you to conceptualize an organization's complete process landscape and allows for the easy identification and promotion of a captured process to a generated runtime digital twin solution. How does it work? Your journey through the Digital Factory begins with process mining. Like gathering raw materials from the supply chain in a manufacturing plant, it is important to understand the quality and provenance of what you are starting with. As such, you have now gathered your first batch of processes for assessment and quality checks. Now it is time to look at the results. Mapping these processes is again like a manufacturing process, where you would put together a list of raw materials that, when combined, will become a product that generates mutual benefits for both customers and the company. As with your processes, now you can identify improvements, additions made, or steps removed from a process to generate an outcome or product. Once these improvements are identified, much like the function of an R&D department in a factory, we can now build a minimal viable product, test it, and prove its value before bringing it into production. So, to the final steps. We can now take the design into production, connecting it through adapters to other complementary products, or in this case, processes, databases, other technology platforms, and legacy systems. Completing this leg of the journey through the Digital Factory, we now have a completed, operationally ready digital twin of your first process or processes that can go into production and deliver benefits for your customers and your company. Just place this new process into a knowledge repository where future change requests can be quickly tested and assessed. Back to the next mined process and repeat. Agile, digitally and continuously improving your business. Having a digital factory framework brings true and complete process automation with clarity, quality, and agility. Sweat your existing assets and introduce new business processes and strategies for digital transformation at scale. And harness the technical debt built up over years of investing in IT and generate true value across your IT enterprise by automating and connecting your siloed corporate knowledge. Reap the benefits of automation using the digital factory. Be informed. Agile Accelerator for Digital Development.